Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. Today I would like to introduce you a new mini course. I'd like to talk to you about the importance of knowing the needed sewing techniques. I remind you that some of my video courses are already available. 10 measurement cutting system, how to make a bomber jacket, how to make a classic women's shirt, and many more. Today I'd like to introduce you a new mini course, how to make a fly zipper in a garment with lining. Have a look at this skirt. We did not only make a fly zipper here, we edged it with lining. There are some peculiarities in making fly zippers. In the mini course, we show you the technique in detail. We show you all the needed details. We show you the order of actions. What is very important is that we show you how to edge the fly zipper with lining. A fly zipper is a pretty complicated detail. It's very important to know how to make it if you are into sewing. There are some very important, essential sewing techniques and details, and the fly zipper is one of them. I strongly recommend you buying the mini course. It's not expensive. Having bought the course, you'll be able to sew fly zippers in the garments you make without any problems. You can make such fly zippers in skirts and trousers with different designs. The fact that we show you this skirt doesn't mean that you can only make such details in the skirts of this design. In the course, we also show you how to make a fly zipper in a garment with no lining in it. You do not necessarily have to line the fly zipper. This is a regular fly zipper detail. I prefer to line garments. I prefer to line even simple cotton skirts like this one. They are much stronger in this case. I enjoy wearing garments of an accurate shape. I believe that knowing of the sewing techniques is what actually allows us making high-quality garments. Having bought the course, you'll be able to make fly zippers in the garments you sew. In the course, we show you the technique in detail. I am sure that it will be no problem for you to make fly zippers. Good luck in sewing. My name is Irina Paukshta. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.